Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on the TurboTax website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in turbotax.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official TurboTax website. Now from the home page, just click on the sign in button at the top right corner and you will be taken into your login portal. Now just type in your phone number, your email address or your user ID that you set up while creating your account in the first place. Now if you're using your private device, then you can check on the Remember Me box, but if not, then make sure to uncheck this box. Then click on the sign in button and you will be asked to enter your account password. Just type in your account password and click on the login button and now you will immediately be logged in to your account on TurboTax and you can start filing your tax right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on TurboTax. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.